80 degree, right?
Yeah.
See me. If you won't see me, then how can you understand the thing? So let me see, where is my pen? Ah, and where is my participant has enabled closed captioning? What is, we can see this transcript. Draw. So what is the question? Question is question. Okay, I got the question now. Question number 3. So what is the definition of question number 3? It is said the given figure centroid itna of a circle and AB in it. So does the question number 4 making quadrilateral? Question number 3 making quadrilateral?
Not really, because it's an extended line.
No. You are not understanding. The figure that is OABCO is quadrilateral or not?
Yeah, it's quadrilateral.
So if that's clear to you, then I think that other is just a play. You just confirm me whether it is quadrilateral or not. If it is quadrilateral, then it is just a 1 second work.
It's a quadrilateral.
Okay, you are convinced. Yes. If a student is convinced, then no problem.
Yeah.
Oh my God. This is the bad shape. So why not take a ready-made shape? Okay. This will work, right? This will work. Surely this will work. Now, this is the center. This is OA. This is OC. Drawing on paper is totally different drawing on a screen.
Yeah.
And this is here, na?
B.
If
No.
I'll use eraser over here, I'm afraid the whole the circle will be erased.
Just that line only. No.
That's the C, right? And this is be okay. Why extended? I don't know. What is this? Is opposite pair?
Yeah.
The sum of opposite pair is how much?
180 degrees.
This is 110. Okay. So what will be this?
It will be 70 degrees.
Angle ABC is 70 degrees.
ABC is 70 degrees.
So if this is line like this, and this is what is this is the this is a straight line. A, this is B, and this is D. And you already know that this is how much?
70.
70 degree. This is 70 degree. So this is linear pair. And you have asked to calculate this angle.
Also, it will be 110 degrees.
Why your camera is off? You don't want to show your face?
No, it's I have internet problems, so
Okay.
it slows down for me whenever I put the camera.
Yes. Okay. I thought you are not showing your face out of. This was the easiest question, I think.
No, I don't know. I got confused, maybe because of this extended line. Maybe that's why I just got confused. Like
That's
other two sounds easy, but then this one I don't know why I didn't understand.
that's the reading learning process now. Sometime you will get confused, sometime you will get overconfidence and you will commit the mistake.
I
This is
think
the this is the human nature. Nothing to
yeah,
worry about.
I think the first question was the hardest, and yet I got it easily the answer.
Because in that question, everything is written over there.
Yeah, like but I have to find X and Y and
Yeah.
then the
That's
answer.
only lengthy, but all the information is given over there. Okay. In the
Mm.
second question as well, almost information is given.
Yeah,
But this question, very less information.
yeah, very less and extended line also. So that's
Yeah. So that was just to confuse. So it is the teaching learning process. Okay. Even I can confuse. If you will
yeah.
ask some question, I will be, oh my God, what is it? Maybe I maybe have solved that, but for the time being, just to confuse.
Okay.
So you got the solution for all first and second question, both question.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is your confusion in this chapter? Your mama was saying that you have some confusion.
They,
Apart, in addition to question number 3, she has some confusion, so she will attempt. Okay, that's the good. Okay, circle chapter, I guess she will be little more through with you in coming day. Oh, one more thing. You have to share the schedule of your half-yearly examinations and syllabus to the admin.
we
Okay.
haven't gotten it yet. They won't send early. They
Your
will, yeah.
your classes didn't started?
No, they will only send it like 2 weeks or three, like 1 month before the exam starts. They don't send now. Half
Okay. So
yearly.
classes are started. Are
No,
you?
they didn't start. They didn't start.
I thought some of the school in UE is started.
Yeah, they have actually, but for my school, it's starting on 29th.
29. So you have still 4 days or 3 days, right? So whenever you get, okay, try to get it. So we can go in that process and make you prepare for your half-yearly exams, right?
Yeah,
Actually, we studied a lot, but we must have to do according to the papers. A revision is necessary.
yeah.
Okay, so for that purpose, we need the syllabus and all. So what is your confusion in this chapter? It is I think the biggest chapter, right? From where we started.
Yeah, just like it's confusing because there's so much to remember and understand to get to. I don't know, just I'm getting confused very easily when I see the question. Then I think very hard. Then only I'm get able to answer.
That's good. See, teaching learning is the process like that. As much as you
Yeah,
are, as much as you are studying, you are getting confused. That means you are changing how we study. Uh, Now, apart from the classes, sometime we should do that. Okay. In childhood, you observe crow. Okay.
hmm.
We all observe crow. Whenever a parrot comes, whenever a peacock comes, whenever another bird comes, we label each and every as a crow, right? We do that.
Yeah,
Okay. If we see a white buffalo and then black buffalo and then a black cow comes, we say that it is buffalo as well.
hmm.
And that's one how our this is can accommodation process. So you have some existing knowledge, you are getting some new knowledge, you will try to fix the new knowledge in your existing domain. If it is fixed, then it's okay. If it is crow, then crow. If it is parrot, it is pigeon, then some senior will say, okay, no, this is not the crow, this is the pigeon. Now you will think, oh, what happened to me? I was only knowing the crow. Okay, so
Yeah,
now what you will do accommodation. You will try to accommodate the new information. The same way over here, you see, okay, this is the circle. Why this is OX is written like that? Why not it is written in the vertical direction? why it is in the horizontal direction, why the radius is, why not like this, why not like this. So this confusion arises, and as much as we will do the practice,
Then only will understand.
the confusion will go at their own place. So having confusion is a good thing. Okay,
Hmm.
so you only have to practice.
Okay.
Okay, so can you tell me which part you are having issues? This is all.
Issue. Yeah, finding the angles, like sometimes when there's not enough information, it gets confusing for me.
Okay. So for example, how we will find the angle in this situation? I'm the bad teacher. After class, I didn't erase the whiteboard. I keep like that.
Yeah.
Whenever I come again to teach some another student, I see, oh my God, all those things are messy.
In school, the only person who rubs the board is the student sometimes.
Yes. And a student feel some privilege.
Happy. They have to feel
That's
happy like that.
it feels like that. Okay, I am the chosen one who is cleaning the board and all.
But the real thing, the teachers sometimes lazy. So it's like, okay, you go. Go
Yeah,
rub the-"
yeah, we do. Sometimes, actually, the problem is that we are taking class continuously.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So we are tired. Sometimes the dust will be directly coming to our eyes. So there is, so in your class, the blackboard, chalk and duster is used, or the sketchboard,
Whiteboards, sketch.
sketch. That's having some different uh, feeling. But I really like the chalk and duster, because when you are writing with chalk, so font is larger than the
Yeah,
sketch.
yeah.
Okay, so that's the different thing. So how you will find the angle in these figure? How you will process to calculate the angle? See, this is a triangle, right?
Yeah.
So based on your existing knowledge, how you will proceed?
I I would label each angle X, Y, Z maybe.
Okay,
Or
X, Y, Z. So like that. No. I won't disturb this. So we may label it X. Okay, my gosh. Y and Z. Right?
yeah,
And then we will use the property that X plus Y plus
that's the property.
Z
Yeah.
is equal to 0. Right? So what is difference that a triangle is giving out of circle O, A, B,
And
and it is given inside the circle. If I will ask the same question outside the circle, then we will say that OA and OB is equal in size. You got my point? If I'll
yeah.
ask the same question, omitting the circle, then I have to say OA and OB is equal. But when I am giving inside the circle, it is well understood that OA and OB are the radius. And I
Yeah.
won't tell anything regarding these two sides, OA and OB. Got the point?
So O and OB are equal.
This is obvious because it is the radius of a circle.
Yeah.
So now we are not sure about what is the length of AB, whether it is equal to OB or AB. Okay, so here we have to provide some connection between OA, OB, or some connection between OC, OB. Got the point?
Yeah.
So it is the what can I say? You have to process the informations. Sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail. The failure is not to worry about. It is the first step toward learning, I think.
Hmm.
Hmm. So now we what we know? What about the angle X and angle Y? Leave about the AB. What will be its values? Single value. So it will, what will be its value?
It will be the same. So it'll be the same value, both of them.
Y will be the same.
Because OA and OP are equal. So their angles will be equal as well.
Of course, that's good. Both will be angle X equal to angle Y, right?
Yeah.
That's clear. I
So that,
didn't. Did I add any knowledge to your existing knowledge?
yeah, that any radius will be equal to the other radius as well.
That's why it's at least it is equilateral triangle. That,
Yeah, it'll be an equilateral triangle.
no. Only two sides are equal. So it's
Yeah,
not equilateral.
no, like no, they're not like both of the, if any angle drawn on a circle and there's another radius also, if there's two radius, they both will be the same.
So only two sides are equal, na? So it's isosceles triangle, na? If
Yeah, it'll be
three sides are equal, then only it's equilateral triangle,
equal. It'll be isolation.
right? So this was the another topic, chord. What is chord? A chord of a circle is the line segment joining any 2 points of a circle. So we asked a question about this. The diameter of a chord of a circle passing through the center of the circle.
Yeah,
A diameter is a chord of a circle passing
passing
through
the
the,
center of the circle.
and this was the reason or assertion question, right? Remember?
Yeah.
One more thing. Achha, this is the line segment. Okay. In this way, I'm erasing the part. A line second. This is the second. A line which intersect a circle in two distant point is called second. So these all were the definition. So I don't think you were having any. Okay, then what is the difference between second or tangent?
Second is joining in the circle. It's passing through the circle, whereas tangent is not passing through the circle.
Okay, so can you tell me second and tangent can be equal? Means and saying that both can be equal in definition?
Um, mhm.
Tangent is only in contact with one point,
Yeah.
exactly one point. So if you are, this is line, okay, you will bring it closer to closer, like that, the last one. So the nature will change.
Yeah.
This and this is not the same. Got the point? So
Okay.
maybe some MCQs can be made on this. You don't know who will make the paper and what will be the question.
Yeah.
And this was the concentric circle. What is the definition of concentric circle?
That circles having the same center.
Circles having the same center. What about the overlapping circles? You have bangles?
Yeah.
Bangles. Okay, so which type of circle is that? If the same size of bangle is, can you say that the concentric?
No, they're not concentric.
So your definition was like that only. Your definition was not
Oh,
complete, right?
yeah, the circles have having the same center but different radii.
That's it is written. Center O, one has radius a small r. Center O, one has radius capital R. Okay,
Hmm.
got the point?
Yes, sir.
So there was then arc length. So what was the arc?
Arc is
What was the definition of arc?
arc was this circumference of the circle. The it's like like a piece of the circumference is the arc.
Okay, means that a piece of a circle, a piece of a circle, a piece of a
No, a
circle.
piece of the circumference of the circle.
When we say that piece of a circle, and when we say the circumference of a circle, what is the difference between these two?
Piece of a circle is when you're like half of the circle or quarter of the circle, like that.
At a small part of circle as well. Okay, circumference is also the same. Okay, a circumference, a piece of a circumference, a piece of a circle. So,
Okay.
so this was the definition for arc, right?
Yeah.
Then arc subtends angle to the center, right? This, if we will match A to O and B to O, then it will subtend an angle, right?
Yeah.
So this is the measure of arc. So I already told you the area of circle is pi r square, I think. R is the radius, right?
Yeah.
So this will be the, if this is the R, this will give the entire area, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now my question is that this question is being asked, frequently is being asked. Okay. Now we have an arc of angle theta. So my point is that what will the area of only this segment? This part, how you will calculate?
The one which is colored?
Yes. I think I told you. Maybe.
You told me that both of the radius drawn in circle will be equal.
Right. Right.
So it will be an isosceles triangle.
Right. But my question is, oh my gosh, what I'm taking. My question is, what will be the area of upper circle? If radius is r, a small r, yes. Radius is small r. A small r is too much small. You can't see it.
It's okay.
What will be area of upper part?
It will be a reflex angle to find area.
I'm only asking what will be the area of upper part of the circle. I already forget what is reflex angle. Okay. Whenever I take exams, in exams, a student asks, so what does it mean? I said, today I'm not the physics teacher or math teacher. I'm Hindi teacher or English teacher. Okay. So if you wanna understand the question, I will translate it. Okay. But I don't know what is physics. So some students really get irritated. So I never helped them in solving the question. Even my student will get failed and I will be questioned by the principal. It doesn't matter. But in exam room, I will never share any piece of information. That's my strict, what can I say, rule.
Yeah.
From where I got rule? I will tell you a short story. Actually, storytelling is a skill. From that, students learn a lot.
Yeah.
So when I was in high school, one of my teacher, he said that he was teaching in an army school and he really adored a student. So one day in the exam room, he was struggling with few questions. So he went to him and he just given the hints to him. Okay. So by that hints, he was able to solve those questions. So after a few days, the major came. He was the son of major, a high rank army officer. And he talked to principal and he took his student from school.
Oh,
Okay. He said, no, I won't give you my child. I won't get him educated over here. So the story revealed that when a student went there, that major or what was the rank of him, he came and he asked his kid about all questions, how you solve this, how you solve this, how you solve that. He honestly was telling, yeah, I did like this, I did like this. He said that I was confused on this question. So sir, little bit help me. Okay. So
um,
he came and told to principal, no, that's not the good idea. I'm going to change the school of my kid.
huh,
So
okay.
that's why I never share any piece of information in exams. So what was my question? My question was, what was the area of a complete circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. My question is that what is the area of upper part of circle that is shaded?
Uh, um, it will be uh, half. Um,
Half pi r square.
yeah.
Half pi r square. Now tell me. Oh, it's not the true part. I didn't. This is circle. This one line and another line. Let me see whether it is making it complete. So now, if radius is r, can you tell me what is the area of this part, this shaded part?
Uh, 1/4 pi r.
Pi r, pi r square, right?
Mhm.
So can I generalize this definition? Pi r square, and this is theta by 360 degree. So in this case, theta is 180. So 180 over 36, 360 will be half. And in this case, it is 90. So 90 by 360 will be 1/4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Did I told you this definition?
I don't think so, sir.
Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Further we move. Maybe somewhere this must be. Okay. देखते हैं. So, your did you noted that formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the semicircle definition. This is the minor sector and major sector arc, minor arc and major arc, right? So
Yes.
what was the major arc or minor arc?
The major arc has more area than the minor arc.
Yes. In the term of length, if the length of an arc is less than that, the length of arc that is the semicircle, then is called the minor arc. It is simple that the small area, this is a small arc, and that area enclosed by this is the minor arc. The large arc and area control covered by this is that will be the major arc. So we have to find, I think. Okay, this is the segment. Okay, then the part of the circular region bounded by an arc and a chord is called segment, right? This is the arc and this is the chord.
That,
AB is the chord
all
and
the so,
APB is the arc. So these are the segment. So this is the sector segment is clear.
yes.
Now this was the first theorem. Okay, theorem number 1.
Hmm.
Two circles are congruent if and only if they have equal radii. So can you give me the example of congruent circles from your daily life?
Um, the bangles example.
That's already I given you. Okay, you try to
Right,
find.
that's what I'm thinking. Uh, um, uh, it's like two bottles of the same size bottles, the cap of it will be the same radii.
Yes, yes, yes. That's it.
Okay.
The purpose of studies also we have to connect those things with our day-to-day life. The things we found in our environment, in our homes, or in schools.
Hmm.
So what about the tire of a vehicle?
Yeah, tire of a vehicle also. Same way.
Also, that is the congruent circles, right?
Yes.
Okay. In the first theorem and the second theorem was equal chord of a circle subtend equal angle at the center, right?
Yeah.
So what is the chord over here in this figure? What is chord?
A, B, and C, D.
Okay, so AB and CD are the chord and they are subtending. If the length of chord is equal, it will subtend the same angle at the center of the circle, right?
Yeah.
What was the opposite of this? That was also a theorem.
Angle, no, chord on O.
So you
O,
didn't study it actually.
no, it's OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD.
Mhm.
And AB is equal to CD.
Actually, how we used to solve the theorem in high school, teacher comes, okay, he solved the theorem, okay, and then he erased the board, okay, and then we have to tell that what are the procedure of solving the or proving the question. So obviously that OA and OB, we have to take two triangles, okay, triangle AOB and COD, and then we have to see what are the common in both triangles, okay, then only we can proceed. So if we are taking AOB triangle, this upper, and COD triangle, the lower, so now we have to fix the known criteria, either all three sides, two sides and included angle, then RHS criterias. Okay, whatever the criterias are, we have to see that which one is going to be fixed. So here we see that this OC and OA and OB and OD are the circle of radius of a circle, so its length is equal. Then again we already said that the chord are equal, then AB and CD are equal. That's we have given it. So now we see that by the SSS, side, side, side. We already
Yeah.
written all those information. Then we utilize
Yeah.
our previous knowledge and we said,
Yeah.
okay, by side, side, side congruency, that's angle. If now this two triangle are similar triangle or congruent triangle, so the corresponding angle will be equal.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this was the opposite one. I think you have this note.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go and fix all those information. So the two arc of a circle are congruent, then corresponding angles are equal. That's the that was the same, I think. Double copy paste. Converse of theorem. If two chord of a circle are equal, then their corresponding arc are congruent. Two chord means two chord of circle are equal. That chord AB and CD are equal. Then two chords of circle are equal, then their corresponding arc, yeah, semi-minor arc are congruent. So it is making an arc both. If arc is equal, and then the corresponding, sorry, if chords are equal, then arc will be also equal.
Yeah.
So this was the 2, 3 proofs. This was one of the question we used in solving the problem. Perpendicular from center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. We used this in solving some problem, remember?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, we have to use what we have the tool. We see that there are two triangles.
Mhm.
So if two triangles win, then we will try to see what could be the relations. So in this, we have to prove that LA is equal to LB. So first of all, OA and OB are the radius,
Yeah.
and OL is what? The common. So we got how many angles? One
Mhm.
side, two side corresponding OL. So, and this angle is 90 degree. The two sides and corresponding angles, or the if it is 90 degree, then it would be RHS, right hand side congruence. So from there, if these two triangles, one more thing I would like to tell you, we written it like that, na? Triangle
Mhm.
OLA similar to triangle OLB. So see, we taken that LA is equal to LB. So that LA, LB. If you will see now, if you will write that OL, okay, OL, OLB, OLA and OLB. So if you will see that this is OL, OL. So OL equal to OL. This is already over here. So we have written in a way, see now see OA, OA. This is equal to OB. So when we see that two triangles are congruent, we and we are naming it, we have to follow some standard procedure. See how it is written. OLA. Okay, OLA. OLA. Now it is written in the same order. OLB. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So it is very important thing to understand. If you are writing one at OLA and other OBL, then it will be meaningless.
Okay.
So we have to keep the naming order in our mind.
Hmm.
Clear? I think we didn't discuss it.
Not that much detail for this. Yeah.
Yes, naming is important.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the opposite of that. And what is that? Equal chord of a circle are equal distance from the center. Equal chord is equal distance from the center. So already we prove it.
Yeah, we already proved this, sir.
Right. So AB is a chord and CD is a chord. And this is in the two half of the circle. So
Yeah.
it is obvious from our practical life that if the length is equal, then it will be equal distance from the circle. So how we proved, we already know it, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So what was this? Okay, this was the if two arc of a circle are congruent, then corresponding chord are equal. To prove that AB is equal to CD. Two arc.
Okay.
This was the arc, na? Arc.
Yeah.
So if arc are congruent, then I think we did earlier the another part, or maybe so there was. So all these are revised to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now with another zeal or with new energy, you try to. Okay, so what was this question in the given figure? Two chord AB and CD of a circle COR are produced to meet at E.
We
That
did this.
we already did this. So, so I remember one more theorem was there. Now that theorem is not over here. See, this is P A, this is B, this is D. So this is same as this is the PT is the tangent and PAB is secant, right? Then PA into PB is equal to PTA square. Maybe in 10th you encounter with it, but I think if you are knowing it, it will be good. It may help somewhere, might help or some additional knowledge. So PA into PB is equal to PTA square. Okay, so if you can memorize some relation, actually memorization is being discarded, but that is not always the practical thing, right? We memorize n number of questions in English, do or not?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, in social sciences and everywhere. So it's really, we should discourage it, but we can't do always. We may have to memorize some results. So it was some additional angle in a semicircle is right angle. So we already prove all these.
Yeah.
This is the C and D are the angle made of equal arc, right?
Yes, sir.
Angles subtended by equal arc on the any part of circles are equal. The angle of a segment of an arc, a circle are equal. So we already solved all these questions.
Yeah.
If a line segment joining 2 points, okay, we already did this always also. We solve these questions, then we come to the cyclic quadrilaterals. And we said that the sum of either pair of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are 180 degree, or sum of pair of opposite angle of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, then it is cyclic. Right?
Yeah.
The question we have given to you that this BC was passing from the center, right? Yeah, it was passing from the center. So I think that's why you got confused.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yes, but in that is also the quadrilateral. So in this way we completed the chapter. This question we solved already, right?
Yes, sir.
This we also solved. This we also solved. This we also solved, and this. this. Okay, so I think we did a revision.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you go back, read the entire notes
Hmm.
and solve the questions. Okay,
Okay.
any question, anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, then see you soon. Okay, it's still 9 minutes. So
Hmm.
it's questionable that why you release the student before the time, scheduled time.
Hmm.
Hmm. So if I'm late by 1 minute, if I'm before 1 minute or 2 minutes, it's no problem. But then I'm late by 1 minute, it's problem. Again, the same. If I'm extending the class 5 minutes, then it's okay. If I'm going back 5 minutes before I'm leaving class, I have to answer. So
Hmm.
so what to do? Do you have anything to ask?
No, sir.
Okay, not from science,
No.
no from physics. Okay,
I
then.
didn't have anything problem in physics.
Okay, so you know each and everything.
Hmm.
Oh, what to do? What to do? Okay, then. See you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Take care.
then. You too.
Enjoy your
And
weekend.
yeah, weekend. I'm traveling this weekend.
Oh, where, sir?
From Delhi to Ranchi. Have you heard about the state Jharkhand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, the capital is Ranchi for a government job examination. There is very less government job in India, so I'm going to try it.
Oh, so for what job, sir?
Is for +2 school, government school.
Are you going tomorrow or day after?
I will be leaving on Saturday.
Oh, actually, Saturday we're going to celebrate Onam.
Onam is there. Yeah, right. So you
Yeah.
will be celebrating over there, right?
No, we'll do it in Kuwait only.
Yeah. There's a lot of Malayali fraternity everywhere.
Yeah, we went Lulu, everything was Onam only.
Uh-huh.
Actually, Onam is like 29th or something, but I'm having school, so we're doing it early.
Oh,
And
that's
actually, also 30th August is my birthday, also. That's why.
that's why you will be having double treat.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. So happy birthday in advance.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. So
Okay.
celebrate the Onam and your birthday as well. And hopefully I will see the status.
Yeah, yeah. And you safe travel.